Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm teaching you guys how to get better at PvP in general. I'm gonna be teaching you how to get better CPS with in my other video, my jitter clicking tutorial. It's a good video. Go watch that. It's already at 60 views. I'm also going to be I'm also going to be teaching you how to strafe, and also I'm gonna also switch dual modes to where I can have a fishing rod so that I can teach you how to fishing rod people. We're playing on the lunar server because I don't know why he insisted. I'm Civics. Yeah. He's a human being. Oh, yep. He can hear me, by the way. So we're just gonna get right into it. Alright, so what you guys are going to want to do if you're playing pot PvP, not pot PvP, this is no debuff. So you just drink swiftness, and you drink this because you'll catch on fire. So you don't want to catch on fire. And you just got to basically, or you can heal since we're in the same call. You basically want to basically take short bursts of fighting. So if you need to heal, you can. So here, hit me up a lot, and I'll just be like, oh no, and then let me chill. So you want to run away so you can heal, and then you'll come back while they're running away, and you can hit them, and then you run off so that they don't think you're coming for them, and then you hit them again, and then they'll be dead, and then they can heal, but you're still gonna be like, ugh. Yes, I know he's not fighting. I don't care. You can use this to your advantage. I'll probably go into Skywars game and show you how it's done. See, and that's how you win. Now this time I'm gonna have him fight back. Don't do your best, because clearly that's not a good idea. Not at all. Because if he does his best, we'd probably not have that much of a video and just be a really long video because we're basically equal in PvP. Maybe not no debuff, but yeah. So now I'm gonna be doing a duel with a fishing rod, so I can teach you how to fishing rod people. We have the same person here. So you're basically just gonna want to hit them to the side like that, so that they can't hit you. And in that little burst that you see there, where they jump into the air, you can go like that and start a combo. You do want to try to be a little bit close. So if they're rushing you, rush me. You can go like that and then start beating them up. Alright, heal, or you can't heal. Yeah, I'll just end the duel. Alright, so that's how you fishing rod people. You also going to want to take, do different, the ways you, stop, shift clicking, it slows you, you know what I mean? Block hitting, you can, go like that, and it knocks them back. So like that, they can't hit you. Like that. There's also S tapping, which is where you basically go backwards while they're fighting you. And there's also W tapping, which is basically S tapping without the S. So you're like that, but you just go forwards, which is helpful for when if you're S tapping, you can basically stay invincible. But when you're W tapping, they could hit you because you're kind of just trading hits with them. That's Civics. You go and when he first releases his videos, go subscribe to him, because he said he was gonna make a YouTube channel. So watch. Like that, and then you go to the side and stuff. He is good, I swear. He's not trash at the game. I'm just asking him to do this for video purposes. Don't think he's absolutely doo-doo. Because anyone who wears that type of skin is instantly a sweat, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Alright, I'm also going to show you how to, basically strafe in a way that won't let them hit you. So watch, I'm going to start a combo, and then you basically... Here, wait, let me start a... And you start like that, and then you walk to the side, kind of like that. Also, take note of reach. The max reach is 3 blocks. I'll turn on hitboxes for this. The max reach is 3 blocks, so it's... I'll show you. Okay, so you're gonna wanna... Okay, so for reach... Also, wait, don't fight me yet. I need to turn on my reach display. I could be here. Stand 3 blocks back so I can actually hit you. Like 3 blocks. If I tried... Okay, here, go like right there. Because that's 3 blocks. I can hit him at... I mean, that says 2 blocks. It's pretty hard to do. But you're, like, since I can... Okay, so when I hit him, you're aiming for their chest and stuff. So, for that, for when you're trying to get 3 blocks, aim for their head, or, like, for their, like, neck area. Because, as you can see, right where their head, like, isn't, you know, right there, that little square area, is above their head. So if you... Oh, that's the border. Watch out for the border. So if I hit above there, like, you have a chance of missing, because your crosshair really depends. Oh, I actually almost got, like... So watch, if I try to hit him from... Yeah, that's almost 3 blocks. Oh, you can't see. I'm actually an idiot. My hand cam was in the way. Here, I'll bring that into the middle of the screen, because I'm an idiot. Alright, so here, you can see that I'm hitting him from 2.6 blocks away. That's very close to 3. So, just imagine that's at 3. Because then that would make more sense. That's basically all there is to actually, like, PvPing. Like, this part of PvP. There's also tactics to... Oh my god, show. Alright. Yeah, see, he's not bad. I didn't expect him to do that. That might have been a problem of why. I'm gonna now go into, Skywars Duel... not Skywars Duels. Actually, yeah, Skywars Duels. To show you guys what to do in a Skywars situation for PvP. Thank you. Alright. So for this, you're gonna want to go, like, I mean, whatever kit you really want to use. You can refer back to my other video on the kits that I used. That'll be in a card in the top right corner if you want it. Basically, you just want to get in Skywars. There's a lot of places you can fall off of. So in that situation, you're definitely not gonna want to be like near an edge. So try to space yourself from the edge. Here, come to mid. Come to mid. All right. Here. I'll for like reasons like okay. So say you get this kind of potions. Oh, look at me. I eat my gapple. Speed. I have speed now. Yeah. So for... Hey, wait. So for Skywars, you're going to want to, like, somehow knock them back so that they'll go off the edge. So if you have speed, by the way... here, hit me. Oh, wait, I don't have speed anymore. Frick. Well, if I had speed, I would have been able to not have knockback as much. Because, here, let me see if I can find a potion of... Here, do you have a potion of swiftness? Okay. So if you have like swiftness on, they can't hit you as far away because that's just how it works, and you have like more speed against them, so you'll be pushing against them in speed. So here, let me kill you. Wait, like come to mid at least, and don't punch me because then I can actually kill you. Actually, I'll just punch you with my fist so you won't take any damage. Stand here. So oh, thanks. I don't need it, but okay. So basically, oh look at me. I'm fighting. So basically, I have way less armor. This is just a scenario that I'm setting up. I have way less armor than him. Not actually, because I have more armor. But then he comes in. He hit me with just your fist or anything really. And then so as I'm running, I get hit by his fist. I turn around. I go like this, and then go. And you can basically just hit them off the edge. It's better to block hit in Skywars, because then you can actually like hit them off the edge, and it'll go flying. They'll go flying super far. As you can see there, he like went like 10 blocks at most, or at least. Once again, just go back to mid. It's pretty easy to make them float. Yeah, very easy to make them float. As long as you watch my other jitter clicking video, you should be able to make people float, which is really helpful. Here, just come to mid. So basically, now that I'm here, I can go. And he'll get knocked back. Here, try hitting me with just with your fists. Just with your fist. Alright, yeah. He can't hit me because he literally can't do anything. And that's why it's really helpful to either block hit, W tap, or S tap. Here, let me try S tapping on you because I haven't really done that much. So S tapping I haven't really done. Clearly, I just said that. I don't know why I'm acting like you guys didn't hear that. So I'm gonna try S tapping this game just to see if that like makes me a little worse, because maybe that is like, maybe it makes me better. Who knows? Maybe I'll be insane at the game if I S tap. Let's try. My fingers are a little bit sore from today for some reason, probably because I was jitter clicking yesterday. They can get sore, so make sure you give your fingers breaks, or build up your finger strength so that you can't like you don't get cramps and crap, because that sucks. If you get cramps, it's just not a fun time. Here, I'm gonna try S tapping on him, and oh now I get to show him the effective speed. All right, here, that's strength. Don't. Oh wait, was that strength? No, I don't know. Okay, here, look, I have speed. Here, try hitting me with your fist. Here, I'm running at you. Here, like, basically taking, like, try like, back, okay, back here with your, like, with the sword out, and then try hitting me back while I'm running at you. See, I take almost no knockback at all. Do it again. Like, while, like, S tapping or doing whatever you need. Yeah. So basically, after that, speed can also give you a major, like, okay, so when you, I know I said I'm gonna S tap, so. Here, stand, like, here. Right in mid. Just so I can hit you. Here, watch, alright. Here, and you try hitting me too. Oh, did I just knock you off? Alright. Sorry, I didn't mean to knock him off. Let's try again. This time, I want you to try to hit me while I'm going. Because then I can show them the real power of how good it is to, like, at least W tap / S tap / any tap, I guess. I don't know. If you guys are enjoying these videos, these type of videos, please leave your suggestions in the comments, because I like seeing comments. That like makes me know that somebody actually like watched a video and it's not just getting view botted by some kid. I feel like one of my videos got view botted by somebody. I don't know who or when, but I feel like they did. But yeah, if you can't, oh my god. I'm probably just gonna, alright, I'm gonna go to regular Skywars now. He can come with me, because I don't really care. Yeah, let me get out of here. Where is it? There you go. No. Cancel, thank you. So now that we did that, we can go into Skywars, solos, and I'll show you the power of this. I'm gonna go with the armor kit, because that's a good kit. I'm gonna try either block hitting, or I'm gonna be S tapping or W tapping. So yeah, use one of those. I mean, if you want to use fishing rods for knockback, that's okay, I guess. Nobody really does. I mean, they don't really give much knockback either. But if you have like no other choice, like if you're using your fists, then I guess yeah, sure, use that. Okay, let's go to mid now. Damage resistance so that nobody can murder me. Who was that? Oh, he almost just died there. That almost sucked. Did I just skip that chest? Whoa. I'm gonna run. That's a bad fight. Yeah, also choose which fights you want to stay in. Yeah, see? Oh, did he just teleport? No way. Well, yeah. Well, I didn't know what happened, so I didn't hit him at first. I thought he just lagged out. I would have probably killed him if he hadn't killed me, but I'm probably going to end the video here, because that's that. That's all you really need to know for getting good at PvP. Hopefully this video helped. If it did help, or if you found something helpful in this video, like, because it really helps out a lot. Also, oh wait, I should probably turn off hitboxes. I didn't even mean to have that on. Hi, no, not really. Wait. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but okay. If you guys enjoy this video, please do subscribe. Only like 88% of my viewers are, not 88%, like 17% of my viewers are subscribed. 88% of them are not. So if you are one of those people who is in the 88th percent, please do subscribe. It really helps out and it makes me happy. Yeah, hopefully this helped you. If you found something helpful, comment it, like, dislike if you didn't find anything helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.